another session of English. Well, कुछ वर्ड्स बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग होते हैं, स्पेशली जब उनकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम हो। अभी किसी ने एक सेंटेंस यूज किया, पिक द राइट बुक फ्रॉम योर राइट एंड देन राइट। 3 times word right has been used, but every time its meaning is different. Well, students, today we are going to deal with such words which are called homophones. Homophones are the combination of two words, homo and phones. Homo means same and phones has been derived from the word phonetics, which means sound. So homophones together means same sound. Now homophones are words. They can be two or more than two which have same pronunciation but different spellings and different meanings. So it's very easy to understand them from their context. You have to be careful where the word has been used and then try to make out the meaning. Now I take more examples. I. I means मैं. EYI means आँख. I have pain in my eye. Let's take another example. Tail. Tale, tale means story, kahani, fairy tale. You might have heard this word many times. Tail, tail. Tail means pooch. Now let's use them in one sentence. The fairy tale was all about the twisted tail of the dog. Now you have to be careful about the spellings and the meanings, but the pronunciation will be same as I told you earlier. Let's take another example. Soul. S-O-L-E, soul means only, the sole reason, the only reason. S-O-U-L, soul means Atma. The sole reason of his failure was not listening to his soul. Now let's move on to another example. Sun. S-O-N, sun, and S-U-N, sun. This is very easy pair and I am sure that you'll be able to write sentence on these two words. Let's move on to another example. Fair. F-A-I-R, fair, and F-A-R-E, fair. F-A-I-R, fair means Mela. I know you might be going to see Mela. F-A-R-E, fair means Kiraya. He paid ₹5 as fare to visit the fair. Now be careful about the spellings and you'll be able to make out the meanings. Let's move on to another example. There. T-H-E-I-R, there, and T-H-E-R-E, there. T-H-E-I-R, there means unka, unke ya unki, and T-H-E-R-E, there means wahan. He went there and saw their books lying on the table. Now be careful. He went there means wahan, wo wahan gaya, and saw what? Their books, unki books. So be careful about the spellings and try to distinguish about the meanings. Now let's move on to few other pairs of homophones. Hair. H-E-R-E, hair, and H-A-I-R, hair. H-E-R-E, hair means yahan. H-A-I-R, hair means bal. Now try to make sentence from these two homophones. Now let's take another pair. Then. T-H-E-N, then, and THAN then. THEN then means tub, and THAN then is used for comparisons. I am taller than my sister, but they are pronounced in the same way. So be careful. Let's take few other words. Whole, whole, HOLE, whole, and WHOLE, whole. HOLE, whole means chaith, and WHOLE means whole. The whole story was about the snake's hole. Now, another example I am going to take is maid, maid. MADE, maid, MAID, maid. MADE, maid means banana, and MAID, maid means servant, maid servant, नौकरानी जैसे आप कह देते हैं. So there are so many other examples of homophones, and when you learn about them, your knowledge improves, and when you try to use them in sentences, your usage improves. We will be taking many more examples, and in the next session I may take some difficult examples. So this is all for today. Thank you.